It's the first day of 2024. Times Square looks amazing. Happy New Year, number 4.
Just in time to celebrate with number 4. Happy New Year, number 4.
This year starts with a bang in the heart of New York. Happy New Year, number 4.
Joyfully, thank you. I'm so excited to be here in Times Square.
In the heart of New York, we welcome number 4. You symbolize a year full of promise and new adventures. Let's share our resolutions. I'll start. This year, I resolve to count even more stars in the sky each night.
I resolve to be twice as adventurous this year.
And I'll bring double the joy to every moment.
I want to learn 2 new games and play them with my friends.
And I'll try to help 2 people every day, making their days brighter.
I want to be brave and try 1 new food every month.
These are wonderful resolutions. Let's help each other achieve them throughout the year.
In the heart of New York, we'll make 2024 a year to remember. Happy New Year 2024 from Times Square.